Hey folks, this is Adam from 911 Studios, and I am smiling ear to ear because I've just got one of the best night's sleep of my life. And why do I sleep so easily? It's because I picked up the NIOSH certified Respirator N95 mask. This thing is the greatest mask pretty much on the planet. It's absolutely amazing. Now I know what you're thinking, but don't you have to be a doctor to pick up N95 masks like this? No, you don't. And you can get something one above that. Respirator, it adds an extra antiviral layer. This thing's killing bacteria. It's taking out 95% of all your tiny little particles out of the air. It's blocking out almost 99% of everything that could get you sick. And why, where, what am I getting? Well, folks, I went to N95maskco.com and I picked up this. Again, it's the Respirator. This thing is pretty much the N95 mask that everybody's talking about, plus an antiviral, antibacterial layer. This is the one, this is the big daddy, this is the superhero, this is the Superman of masks. This thing is going to keep me from getting sick. It's absolutely amazing, and it's available to the public. Yeah, you can pick these up. Now, what's happened? You know, we got all these lockdowns. We had Amazon and eBay and all these websites restricting what you can and can't sell. But there are still websites that are selling legitimate masks, legitimate N95 masks, and this one is one above that. That means you can pick it up. It is available. You just can't go to Amazon to pick it up. And don't be fooled, there are some bad websites out there, but this is the real deal. N95 Mask Company, and they have this, the Respirator, which I said is the big daddy of all masks. The N95 mask, this is the one that you used to be able to pick up, but then all of a sudden there was restrictions on it. At first you couldn't find it anywhere, and now it is available. This is the one that gives you all the protection from all the viruses and everything, as well as do this one right here. Now this is the KN95. Let me see if I can show that. It says KN95. Still the same properties as the N95, but not all of the same American certifications, international certifications. So you can save a few bucks here, get a great mask, but because it doesn't have the exact same American certifications, you're paying a lot less. So there's three great masks here. Again, the Respirator, this is the big daddy. This is the baddest mask on the planet. This is the superhero mask. You have the N95 right here, and the KN95. Save a few bucks and get one that's a little bit cheaper, but still just as good, you know? So I'm going to go ahead and put links in the description below. Absolutely fantastic masks, antiviral properties, antiviral layers, keeps the bacteria, all the pollutants, everything, everything out of your mouth. This is the one, if you have some respiratory issues, you may be an at-risk person, you want to go ahead and spend a little extra money and get the really, really good one. This one, you know, like I say, some people wear masks to protect people around them. Some people wear the really good mask to protect themselves. This is the one that you're going to wear to protect yourself. The N95, also an amazing mask, and you can't get this anywhere. You have to go to N95maskcompany.com, N95maskco.com. Right here, you can pick them up. And the KN95, also a fantastic mask, available for you. Thanks to 911 Studios telling you the real websites where you can pick them up. Don't get ripped off with some weird Chinese knockoff. These are real good masks, all the good qualities. And like I said, this one right here, the big daddy of them all. You're gonna go to the website, comparison shop, figure out which one you want. They're gonna be able to get them to you quick, efficiently, and you're gonna get a great mask for your buck. So go ahead and check it out. There's a link in the description below. Thanks for watching. I'm Adam from 911 Studios, and adios, amigos.